Meaning of GB.
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 GB. GB is an acronym that stands for gigabyte. A gigabyte is a unit of digital information that represents 1 billion bytes or 1024 megabytes. It is used to measure the amount of storage capacity in digital devices such as computers, smartphones, and external hard drives. The larger the GB capacity of a device, the more data it can store. For example, a 64 gigabyte smartphone can store around 16,000 songs, or 24 hours of high-definition video. GB is an important metric for measuring digital storage capacity, and continues to be an important consideration for anyone looking to purchase digital devices.